Okay friends, welcome again to you all in my new session. Today we are going to discuss the class 9th mathematics chapter surface areas and volumes exercise 13.1 question number 5. In this question it is given that a cubical box has is 10 centimeter and another cuboidal box has 12.5 centimeter long, 10 centimeter wide and 8 centimeter high. There is two box, one is cubical of side 10 centimeter, second is cuboidal of the side 12.5 centimeter by 10 centimeter by 8 centimeter, right? Then there are two questions is asking. First one, which box has greater lateral surface area or by how much? Which box has the greater lateral surface area and by how much? कौन से बॉक्स का lateral surface area ज़्यादा है और कितना ज़्यादा है? Second, which box has smaller total surface area and by how much? Means for both the boxes we need to find out what? We need to find out their lateral surface area and total surface area by give this answer. Okay friends, so let's see. First, the cubical box. For cubical box, in the solution of this question, for cubical box, its side A is equals to given 10 centimeter. Okay, so let's find its lateral surface area. So lateral surface area of this is equals to lateral surface area is equals to, you have the formula 4a square, which is 4 multiplied by 10 square, that is 10 10 ja 100, 4 ja 400 centimeter square. This is the lateral surface area of cubical box. Now, total surface area, TSA of cubical box equals to, you have the formula 2 into, total surface area of cube is equals to 6a square, which is 6 multiplied by 10 square, that is 600 centimeter square. So this we got lateral surface area of cubical box and total surface area of cubical box. Now let us find these two for the cuboidal box also. So for cuboidal box, L length is equals to 12.5 centimeter, breadth is equals to 10 centimeter and height is equals to 8 centimeter. Okay, so find its lateral surface area. You know that the lateral surface area of cuboid is equals to lateral surface area of cuboid is equals to 2 into L plus B into H. So let's simplify it. 2 into L is 12.5 plus B is 10 into height is 8 centimeter square. Okay, so 8 2s are 16 multiplied by 12.5 plus 10, which is 22.5 centimeter square. Multiply it by 16. 16 5s are 80, that is 0. 16 2s are 32 plus 8 is 40. 16 2s are 32 plus 4 is 36. 360 centimeter square is the lateral surface area of this cuboidal box. Now we need to find out the total surface area of this is also for cuboidal box. So total surface area of cuboid area of cuboid is equals to formula 2 into LB plus BH plus HL. Let us substitute the values. 2 into LB, length is 12.5. 12.5 multiplied by 10B plus 10 multiplied by height is 8 plus 8 multiplied by length 12.5 centimeter square. Now let us simplify it. We will get total surface area of cuboid is equals to 2 multiplied by 12.5 into 10, that is 125, plus 10 into 8, 8 tens are 80, plus 12.5 into 8, 8 fives are 40, 8 twos are 16 plus 4 is 0, 20, 8 ones are 8 plus 2 is 10, means 100 centimeter square, right? So let us find it. 2 multiplied by, add these all. This will be 125 plus 80 is 205. 205 plus 100 centimeter square. Which is equals to 2 multiplied by 305 centimeter square, that is 610 centimeter square. Now we got all four. The required thing means lateral surface area of cube, total surface area of cubical box. This lateral surface area of cubical box is 400 centimeter square. Total surface area of cubical box is 600 centimeter square. Now for the cuboidal box, lateral surface area is 360 centimeter square and total surface area of cuboidal box is 610 centimeter square. Now let us find the answer of first one. First one, right? First one, what is asking? Which box has greater lateral surface area and by how much? किस बॉक्स का lateral surface area ज़्यादा है? So let us see the lateral surface area of both. For cubical box, lateral surface area is 400. For cuboidal box, lateral surface area is 360. So किस बॉक्स का lateral surface area ज़्यादा आ रहा है? So the greater lateral surface area has cubical box. So you have to write, since 400 centimeter square is greater than 360 centimeter square. Therefore, cubical box has greater lateral surface area. किस बॉक्स का lateral surface area ज़्यादा है? Cubical box का. Now one more question is asking, and by how much? So by 400 minus 360, which is 40 centimeter square, right? Cubical box has greater lateral surface area by 40 centimeter square. So let's see the second one. Second question, what is asking? Which box has smaller total surface area? Total surface area. So for cubical box, total surface area is 600. And for cuboidal box, total surface area has 610. So since this 600 is less than 610, since 600 centimeter square is less than 610 centimeter square. Therefore, cubical box has smaller total surface area. Therefore, cubical box has box has smaller total surface area by 610 minus 600, which is equals to 10 centimeter square. So these are your two answers. First answer is cubical box has greater lateral surface area and cubical box has smaller total surface area, right? As it was given, the cubical box has is 10 centimeter and cuboidal box has 12.5 centimeter long, 10 centimeter wide and 8 centimeter high. There are two boxes, one is in the shape of cubical, second is in the shape of cuboidal. So there was two questions it is asking. तो हमने क्या किया, दोनों ही बॉक्स का lateral surface area और total surface area find कर लिया. Lateral surface area of cubical box is 4a square, so we got 400 centimeter square. Total surface area of cubical box is 6a square, that is 600 centimeter square. We got it. Similarly, for the cuboidal box, we got the lateral surface area of cuboidal box is by the formula 2 into L plus B into H is 360 centimeter square, and total surface area by the formula 2 into LB plus BH plus HL is 610 centimeter square. So such that as the first question was which box has greater lateral surface area, किस box का lateral surface area ज़्यादा है. So that's lateral surface area of cubical box is 400 and lateral surface area of cuboidal box is 360, but obvious 400 is greater than 360. Therefore cubical box has the greater lateral surface area by 40 centimeter square. How? When you subtract 360 from 400. Second question, which box has smaller total surface area? So total surface area of cubical box is 600 and total surface area of cuboidal box is 610. तो किसका कम है? Cubical box का lateral total surface area कम है because it is 600 and it is 610. So that cubical box has smaller total surface area by 10 centimeter square. Okay friends, so let's see some question number 6. Here it is given a small indoor greenhouse. Small indoor greenhouse means it is a herbarium, is made of entirely of glass panes. That herbarium is made out totally with the glass planes, including the base, it is base and top also. It is held together with the tape, means they all are joined with the tape. If it is 30 centimeter long, 25 centimeter wide and 25 centimeter high, then there are two questions is asking. First one is what is the area of the glass panes, this one, and how much tape is needed for all 12 edges. So let us find, as its dimensions are given in the solution of this. Its length is given 30 centimeter, breadth is given 25 centimeter and height is given also 25 centimeter. So let us find the sums of this first part. What is asking in this? What is area of the glass panes? So total surface area of herbarium is equals to total surface area of herbarium is equals to total surface area of cuboid, which is 2 into LB plus BH plus HL, right? So this is the area of glass panes. Therefore area of glass panes two into length is 30 multiplied by breadth is 25 plus breadth is 25 and height is 25 plus height is 25, length is 30 centimeters square. Simplify it, we will get 2 into 30 into 25, which is 750, plus 25 into 25 is 625, plus it is also 750 centimeters square. Okay, so when you simplify it, means after adding, this is 750 plus 750 is 1500, plus 625 is 2125 centimeters square, means 2 5s are 10, 2 2s are 4, 1 5, 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4. 4250 centimeters square is the area of the glass pens required for this herbarium. Now second question is asking how much tape is needed for all 12 edges. So the tape required for all 12 edges is equals to, therefore tape required for 12 edges is equals to, for all edges is equals to 4 multiplied by L plus B plus H. So 4 length is 30 plus 25 plus 25 centimeter. Simplify it, 4 multiplied by 50 plus 30 is 80 centimeter, that is equals to 8 4s are 32 centimeter. Right friends, so to find the area of the glass panes, we need to find out the total surface area of this cuboidal box. So we got the area of glass panes is equals to 4250 centimeters square, and to find the tape required for all 12 edges, so the length of all tape is equals to 4 multiplied by length plus breadth plus height. Why? Because length is 4 times, breadth is 4 times, and height is also 4 times in the cuboidal box. Therefore we got 320 centimeter. So this was the answer of the first one, and it was the answer of second. Therefore the total area of the glass pane is equals to 4250 centimeters square, and the length of tape is 320 centimeters.